So, did you know there's a planet out there that rains diamonds? Yeah, it's called Neptune, and it's a real gem of a place. Imagine a world where precious stones fall from the sky. Step 1. Picture the stunning blue atmosphere filled with clouds of gas. Step 2. Think about the extreme pressure that creates these diamond rains. Final step. Just dream about collecting those sparkling treasures. Boom! Who needs a jewelry store when you have Neptune? Y'all see this? Just imagine the bling, or keep dreaming. Your choice.